Golov, Timice, and Daytona.
I need to get closer.
On Toxitron right now, when the other boss is about to come out, the Toxitron is going to cast
5,
another ad's
4,
range. You got to be
3,
on the second ad
2, 1.
and every other DPS.
Centuries ago, these constructs were considered the dwarves' greatest technical achievements. With so many counters to each construct's attacks, I'll have to rectify using Toxitron's chemicals to damage the other constructs. Clever plan.
Be ready to switch.
Damage stop. Full damage stop at everything. Switch to the next fucker and range kill the ads.
Careful now, he has a shield.
Low damage on the ads.
Move out of the poison shit. Good. Heal saucy guys. Stop sleeping. 2 more ads. Switch.
Switch the boss to magma.
Lightning conductor works much better.
Careful, Destox. You have to come back in.
Overlay.
Big raid cooldown. Yeah, thank you. Heal up the people.
Stop.
Yeah, stop everything, guys. Get ready to switch on Arcanotron, your favorite guy. Move away. Guys, can you stop being so fucking stupid and stay in that shit? Like, it's the biggest indicator you can see on your map. And it's like, move on towards the puddle.
Bam! We're
It's
leaving.
exploding,
Leave
go
the
away.
puddle.
Stop damage and get ready for Toxitron. Stop damage and get ready for Toxitron. And move Toxitron into position, please.
Ads. And stun the last ad, please. On Paladin, like any stun. Okay, that's fine.
Awesome. Keep the tanks up. Next ads are coming. Damage stop. Damage stop. Damage stop.
Bam!
The next
There
ads are
is there's a
coming.
puddle under Toxitron. Move
Switch
out.
to Electron. Switch
Kill the
to
ads.
Electron.
Kill the ads.
And kill the ads.
God damn it.
Everything looking fine so far. Get ready to switch one more time back to... What is it? Magmatron?
Kill the 2 ads.
Yeah. Switch to Magmatron and kill the last 2 ads. Helgra, careful. Stack. Helgra, stack!
Take your pets away from the other boss.
Big raid cooldown.
I
Good.
click.
Very good reaction. Thank you very much.
What? Why Wolf is still on Electron? Hunter.
Yeah. Move away from the shit and stop damage. Stop damage. Get ready for Arcanotron one more time. Move away from the shield. Get ready to stack. Get in. DPS. Cooldowns. Second potion.
Bam!
Move
Puddle
away.
exploding. Move out.
Move away from the puddle.
Toxitron is coming out.
Get ready to switch. Press Kupo, please, instantly. Switch to Toxitron. Kill ads. Watch for your debuffs. This is the last time we have Toxitron, by the way. Yeah. So after this, 2 more ads. 2 more ad waves. 1 full and one's only 2. Stop direct
Stop.
damage on Toxitron. Stop direct damage on Toxitron. We're almost
Bam!
there. Please focus up. Switch
the
to
Electron now
Electron
and kill
and
the
kill the
ads.
ads. Move away from the puddle.
Kill that. Melee,
Kill the
you,
ads.
you guys too.
Keep the people up.
I can't
Use your
have
small
fixation.
shit.
Okay.
Heal up everyone. Lightning conductor, don't stay too far away. If it switches. No, shouldn't. Okay, get ready
Get
to
ready to switch.
on
Yeah,
Magmatron. One more ads, 2 more ads. Kill the ads quick, please. Kill the ads quick and switch to Magmatron.
Warrior is still attacking.
Temaki, stack. Everyone stack. Big cooldown again. Use everything you have cooldown wise, please.
Don't be stupid. You have to stop at 60.
Yeah.
Stop on Magmatron. Do not stop.
Last switch, and go on Arcanotron. On Arcanotron, our beloved guy. On Arcanotron.
Don't attack the Magmatron.
Keep interrupting. A perfect pool. Finish him off. Like I said, use all your CDs that you have. Use your health stones. I don't care. Just make sure you don't die.
Hey, look,
Damn.
people finally.
Such an easy boss.
Bang.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Good job, guys. I'm proud of you. Cloth belt. I'm sorry, Bertolino. No one for the helmet?
Where are you going first?
Trash. And songs, do you know how to reset Chimeron? Like when you
Give it
pull
to
him?
Saucy. It's much better to Saucy.
That's,
You sure?
Yeah.
Thanks.
can anyone start resetting Chimeron, please?
Nope,
And,
never mind.
Yeah, the tanks
Spam-
aren't here yet, so
spam
Dragon.
Bloodlust. No one for the mail chest. What the fuck is this loot on this boss, man? Like 20 items, but only shit. Plate chest, anyone?
Truly a living testament to my science.
Oh, that is actually feet. My fault. I got this too. And
If no one wants the mail chest, I can have it. Sorry.